real classy. Going live on the Ratchet. 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 Live on the Ratchet.
What's up, y'all? This your girl, Paige.
This your girl, Kate.
And we live
from the motherfucking Ratchet.
Shout out to the girl, bunnz, the lady.
She'll be back next week.
Yeah, she having a little family issues. We're going to keep her in our prayers.
Yes.
But, and also this week, shout out to Exotic Flavors ATL. Exotic Flavors _ATL. They got the best Zaza in the city. They sponsoring us.
Yes.
You know we finna represent no bullshit.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? This shit smuggled around here. Goddamn, you see what's going on.
Exactly.
Drop dead free right
now.
Okay.
Got them bags.
All that. You know what I mean? Exotic Flavors _ATL. Get it, my people. So, we miss y'all for one.
Yeah, we have.
We really do.
We took a week off.
Yeah, we took a week off. But shout out to Addison West J Media as well.
Yeah.
But this week we want to start off with what the shout name is?
I don't even know that name. Yeah.
Salento.
I call him Nene.
Lil Nene. Look, Nene. You know he killed his cousin. Girl. Mm-hmm.
Do you know why?
That's what I heard. I heard he had like several. The cousin had several gunshot wounds.
For real? He overkilled that nigga. He overkilled.
Yeah, so you know, I
would have just gave Cole a little leg shot, like, ow, nigga, don't motherfucker play
warning.
Bitch, don't play with me.
Big shit, it hard. It's a pandemic. Music
that ain't got nothing to do nothing. Man, I took a whole lot. The girl says it's a pandemic.
Folk be taking that shit.
Stop using that pandemic as an excuse.
I'm just saying though.
Cause most motherfuckers got more money than they ever had.
That's true. But the pandemic have affected
it is some
a lot of motherfuckers. And if you ain't strong-minded,
or in the street,
you know what I mean, or hustle-minded, you know what I'm saying? Or you know, whatever, you got to be ready for this shit. This shit will either make you or break you.
Yeah.
Sure. Cause a lot of people got denied for that shit. Mm-hmm. Some people just got one chick.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So this shit go deeper than that. But I just pray for the whole family with that situation because they lost him.
That's crazy. And he finna go to jail. Yeah. And
how the fuck does that work?
I wonder how to do a nigga with money in jail survive. He gonna have to take care of the whole block not to fuck with him. Cause they gonna be extorting his ass.
On his ass. Unless you're a
real
street nigga. You know how when niggas start gaining up. You
still gotta get it. Mm-hmm. You still gotta get with a gang.
Yeah. Speaking of gang. Gang. This got to be a young gang. It was a lady in Detroit. She she got her Porsche stolen. I'm talking about literally stolen.
Like how? Like what kind of Porsche she had? She stay in a trailer?
Okay, so it says one of our Detroit roommates reached out to us to tell us all things that can be stolen. She claims someone literally took her front porch from her home. As you can imagine, our good sis was hot when she made the discovery that feels this is truly something that could happen. Her name was India Gardner. She says she was working at the crystals plant where she builds trucks when a theft really came up with her whole front steps.
These folks had time.
Bitch!
She probably pulled the whole 12-hour shit like these folks.
Oh my God, when she retired
like, really, y'all, it's so much shit been going on,
she
though.
She was in a state of belief. Like, oh my God, the pandemic. Why?
What the fuck they gonna sell? The
jumping
wood?
Out the porch. They selling porch. That shit probably expensive as hell though.
Yeah.
Imagine how much it'll take for somebody to make you
they
a
probably
whole
took that shit and went and put it They would have
and
put it on their
on
porch.
somebody else's shit.
The bitch that's
or they
on
probably
there.
sold it. You know what I mean? That's
crazy.
That's a nice little amount of cash. You know
Niggas out here stealing porches.
But
Watch your porches.
You got to have the right equipment. I wonder what kind of motherfucker the getaway car they had. Damn, you all.
Oh, you all, bitch. Oh, you all.
The fuck?
That's crazy.
Wow, what? That
ain't
is
no
so
way.
crazy.
I heard it, I done seen it.
Ain't no fucking way, but it is some
I
type
know
of way,
this
though.
end of the world. Motherfuckers stealing
what?
porches.
I really just can't believe it.
Motherfuckers stealing dogs. Somebody stole my dog.
Oh yeah, damn! It wasn't even
Motherfucker
your
stealing
dog.
It was my sister's dog. I'm kind of happy the motherfucker gone, but I was a little security nerves a pit backyard. Motherfucker ball. Somebody come to that backyard. Where it's out of flavors, ATL.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm trying to tell you folks about them bags. Good numbers.
Y'all folk gotta stop stealing though. Y'all don't do that. That's not no good.
These folks steal anything. Porches.
Any goddamn thing.
Dogs.
I can't believe that shit.
Dependents. These motherfuckers steal anything.
Oh yeah, everybody, y'all make sure y'all
put a pin on your kids' social.
Socials and CPN, cause these
She
folks
said my CPN.
backdoor anybody. Niggas backdooring baby mamas, mamas backdooring children, goddamn it, friends backdooring friends. This is dog eat dog with the whole world.
Just close my back door, lock that motherfucker.
God
What Dirt
damn.
say? Dirt say close that back door.
Some of these motherfucking children, they selling they self already.
Lock my shit. Don't let nobody in.
This shit is sad. I just hope that things get better.
Yeah,
you know?
it got to.
It really do. But I heard things got better for what's his name? I don't even know. What's his name? Booski.
Oh, that man out of jail.
Yeah, he
what
out
the
of
fuck he
jail.
was locked up for?
I don't know. You didn't know that?
Y'all knew he was locked up, but I don't be with that shit. I don't be knowing what the hell he in there for.
I heard he got into it with a girl. The girl, you know the picture that was going around.
Him kissing the girl.
With him and the girl laying in the bed together
I ain't seen
with the
that
dirty
shit.
pillow.
Oh no.
Oh, they said the pillow looked like it had mildew on it.
Oh my god.
It said look, it had corona.
It said
It said
corona.
goddamn body. They took that motherfucker clean the fuck out.
And what happened to the girl?
Him and her got into it. She had a black eye.
He ain't do it.
That's what they said. They said they feel like she hit herself.
Yeah, he ain't do that
But
shit.
he went to jail.
He meant duh. Bitch.
They said Boski swing too slow.
Yeah, that
hit
man ain't
anybody.
did that shit, but he ain't. I don't
They
even
said
think
he
that
won't
ain't
even
got the
catch you.
heart. Exactly. I don't even think he got the heart.
Nah,
to
he
do
got
no shit.
hard. The
That
way
nigga
that
ain't got no
motherfucker
heart.
tried me, he better.
That nigga just talking. He just be talking.
But these folks need to stop doing that because I feel like people be trying to get clout off him.
Yeah, cause he got a lot of shit
Because
going on.
every time somebody do something to him, they want to record
Yeah.
it and put it on Instagram.
Cause that
and all
nigga
that
do
old
got some
sucker
motherfucking
ass
followers.
shit. Yeah, he popping.
Yeah.
Like right now, you know what I mean? He funny in here. He keep a motherfucker laughing, keep a motherfucker rolling. But that shit is levels to this shit. Y'all folk becoming disrespectful doing anything for clout.
And knowing that man did able.
And that man, and
that would make you lame in hell.
It done end up getting that serious as him going to jail.
That's why I think them girls be fucking with him
Taking
too,
this shit
so
too
they
far.
can get in check.
They just want a little bit of fame. They want the followers and shit. You know what I'm saying? Now you get them followers up. You get your OnlyFans up. And then you get some
girls
books
about,
up.
oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying? For real. These hoes live, die, eat, sleep, and shit behind this shit. They really think that shit gonna get them somewhere. But it's not because it ain't right.
Yeah.
Playing on a motherfucker like that.
Yeah, you ain't gonna get blessed like that.
You know what I mean?
I'm gonna put this out.
Yeah, put that out. We finna see what
it's out of flavor.
Exactly.
Underscore ATL talking about.
Yeah. Even though we already know, we just finna show y'all. And so bear with us if goddamn shit start becoming blurry. Cause this shit right here,
I'm trying to tell you.
For real. Okay, so last thing, what's her name? what's the girl name? Kiki Wyatt. They said she went on a little rant and a little biracial
Who,
rant.
the light skinned girl that you just saying Kiki Wyatt Avant?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that bitch can sing.
Yes.
What the fuck she done did? They say the light skinned girl crazy. What the hell she done did?
So you don't know that, though.
I really don't.
I don't know what the fuck, but she just had some little words and shit about being black. It's not only the black people. It's this, that, and the third.
Man, hold the fuck on, bitch. She said this, that, and the third, and she just went ballistic. Just went crazy.
She said she couldn't hold it in no more.
Like, people are weird.
I feel like a lot of people do a lot of stuff for attention.
Yeah, and she been off the market for a minute. This bitch just went ballistic, man. Hell nah, man.
Okay.
That's it.
But I feel like a lot of people do things for clout. Again, I wouldn't be surprised if she started talking about her little album that's coming out.
She done got them followers back up.
Exactly.
I bitch is coming, yeah.
Do this
and most of that shit be fake. Most of that shit be paid.
Do you know? Have you seen your boy?
Who?
Trey fucking songs.
I don't like it.
What you mean?
Well, that ain't my boy. I thought you was say Lil Baby.
Everybody boy now. She ain't seen the video.
I ain't seen shit. Let me know.
Man, what?
I done heard some shit.
Girl, get the fuck out of here.
I gotta slow down.
Man, what's up with you this week?
I don't know. I'm unbalanced.
God,
I'm unbalanced this week. I've been having a lot of shit going, man.
God damn.
For real. I had a lot of shit going this week.
God, man, what? Girl,
he did something though.
Girl, that man got a big ass dick. I don't even think it was as hard as it could get. Cause the girl who was doing the shit, she didn't know what the fuck she was doing. But that's neither here or there. Damn, let me find it for you right quick, cupcake.
Yeah, cause I don't know what the fuck.
What the fuck our messages is?
What the hell he got going on? These celebrities, they be on drugs too. They be on drugs too.
The bitch can't see either, y'all.
No, I can't. That shit like a plantain.
And then I can't even see. It did so black.
That ain't him.
Like, damn, yes it is.
Man.
Girl, he got him on OnlyFans. He admitted that was him.
He got an OnlyFans.
Girl, yeah, he got an OnlyFans, bitch.
He broke. He broke. That nigga going broke.
Everything for clout.
Yeah.
He released the video, then he went on and put the OnlyFans up there.
Damn.
And then he's showing his little tattoo. That's him. But I don't know if it's an app or what. I say I might subscribe just so I can see if it's real.
Oh, it probably
but
just
they
the
say
phone.
they know the girl. They tagging the girl who in it too. I don't give a fuck about her. I'm just trying to figure out like
why
how
so
the fuck
that shit
is. Like, boy, you'll be surprised. You'll be surprised. What God bless you with.
Man, that shit like an African.
Cause I wouldn't have never thought
that nigga look like an African.
Pretty ass. With a kind of slanging like boom boom bop
Man,
bop.
fuck all that. Yeah, like an African. Bitch, that nigga got an African
But it's too black to be on his
that
brown
ain't
skin.
him.
That's just make. Nah, cause he brown. I don't know. He black as fuck. That's why I feel like it's not as hard as he could get. Motherfucker, it probably be lighter. I don't know. He probably take some type of pills or some shit.
Man, I don't
know what the fuck he doing. But he ain't taking that shit behind the counter. He taking that celebrity shit.
Girl,
Trey songs, baby. That's everybody boy now.
Shit, not mine. Shit black as fuck. That's like an African. Bitch, please.
And old girl, honey, she need to be fired.
Girl, I don't know. I'm gonna watch it in a minute. Put it up on the big screen.
I'm just gonna send it
on
to
the
you.
phone. Nah, I can't see it on the little
Put
phone.
this shit up on this screen.
Nah, I'm
really
talking about like
flip.
your phone, bitch. Like your phone, turn it bigger than mine.
Oh, okay.
Big screen.
Okay.
But yeah,
it's
about time.
What's going on?
Go pay some bills.
You say what?
You sitting right next to me. You mean to tell me you don't hear me?
You said what?
It's about time to go pay some motherfucking bills.
Okay, we finna pay some bills.
Yeah.
We'll be right back.
We swiping your card today.
Nah, mine don't work.
Fuck that.
The women who used to go recruit the what's up? Hey. Hey. Now they go to real see. They go ask her why she ain't told she didn't get. And she women empowerment. Why she didn't tell y'all that she done had some of that? Why she didn't tell y'all? She talking about all the rest of these folks running around here. Why she didn't tell y'all she been? And then upstairs, cause Tamika, I guess Tanya, I don't know. I ain't never. I swear to God, her. I don't get involved. I don't know what they do in their lifestyle. I'm not a part of it. But I know she done been found. Ask her how it tastes. Go ask her. So she kind of said how. She know how that tastes too. Ask her how Tamika tastes. Ask her, do she want some more? Is that the problem? Well, ask her what was going on when she was in the threesomes and the foursomes. What happened with her? Huh? What about when she used to go get the recruit the phone? Where's she at in this? Black power. You so into the power, but you the one recruiting to come get
Petty gang, petty mafia. Yo, this is getting crazy. I got so much stuff I gotta do today, so I really can't show y'all the full screen recording of Shekinah Live. But just know, man, she airing everything out about Sabrina, from her practicing voodoo, from her slicing and dicing people, from T.I. and Tiny participating in threesomes. It's just crazy. So I'm just gonna post this for now, but make sure you come back later on today or tomorrow. I'm gonna show y'all everything from how all this stuff started till now. So, like I said, tell me what y'all think so far about this whole entire situation. I got more content coming, so just be on the lookout. Make sure to like and subscribe. Petty Gang.
He's never put his hand on me. Me and him done had words going back and forth. He got a strong personality. I got a strong personality. But he has never put his hand on me.
She was messing with that man on Peter Street for the alcohol license.
Listen, he never put his hand on me, y'all, and he never put a gun out on me. And it's okay for people to argue back and forth, but I'm just letting y'all know.
Okay, y'all, and we are motherfucking back.
We're back.
So, fuck out of bullshit, live from the motherfucking Ratchet. You know we finna get into it.
Go get into it. What's the tick?
Girl, what you think about T.I. and Tiny? Would you like to chill with them?
Hell fucking no. But my thing is, I don't know, do you think they going to jail?
Ooh, girl, I know, and then yay, because I don't know too much about that shit, but I know enough that the way the shit being put out there,
yeah,
and the level that he's
trying
to be on, because this shit way deeper than just rumors and shit.
Yeah.
That hoe knew what she was doing when she added Keisha Bottom and told her, this the man who you finna put. Yeah, because, they trying to get T.I. some type of, Keisha Bottom, T.I. and kind of finna do some type of shit. But, you know what I mean? He finna go up to you know what I mean, a different rank.
Yeah.
So, they gonna try to throw all type of shit your way. But I think it may not go nowhere because it's all senseless bullshit that's been going on. The shit that whole time I ain't really nothing, but it's something now because of who he is and the position that he's in. But overall, they say this hoe just want Tiny.
Yeah, I heard that. But that
she
can
put a gun in her
that
head
can be true.
Cause
These bitches crazy fuck. That can be true.
Yeah, these hoes be crazy.
But I don't think they facing any charges because they would have been
crazy.
They would have been probably locked up by now if they were facing any charge. Cause that shit was consensual.
Yeah, well, it would be.
Bitch,
that,
you got a choice. You want that pill or not?
The investigation.
Yeah, and them folk paid them folks. So what the fuck? I know they paid them. So
they did.
Come on now.
These hoes be going against the rules.
Yeah, they done went
these
broke.
These hoes be getting they feeling.
Fuck that.
Going broke.
I wouldn't
even enough
if I do
attention.
some shit like that, I wouldn't even come to the public. I just extort your ass. Look, if you don't give me this,
Shekinah went out there. That was the whole
if you don't give me this,
That's what she did. It didn't work. They want to stun her ass. So she went on and made a statement.
Before I got this far,
they ain't giving her money.
Before I got this far, I would have started sending her shit. Yeah,
and
probably.
her boy Katana was like,
but
hold on.
Probably because she crazy as fuck. Cause ain't she delusional? If she
but
crazy,
Tina was like, is this the same man? She say T.I. hit her in the head with a pistol in front of her children. Man, it must have went the fuck down that night.
They probably
fuck they was on.
Bitch, Miles.
You know it, boy. Woo. But anyway, like Tina said, it happened about 2 years ago. She was like, just 2 years ago, you wanted T.I. to mentor your son. You know what I'm saying? You want to be just like it. He was stepdaddy.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And now she was like, how long ago you say it was when he pulled out the gun? I know. Like, come on now, why you coming out this? But I feel like Shekinah, everybody talking about Shekinah went on there and incriminated them folks. She said that the girl recruited the girls.
What up?
This is that. She could have been saying recruit them to have a threesome. I feel like before Shekinah said anything, she had that talk with Tiny. She called her like, bitch, I'm finna go on and put that hoe on black. You don't want to do it.
Yeah,
so
but
I'm
Shekinah, see, I just feel like Shekinah, she meant well. It's just she talked too fucking much and didn't know what the fuck she was just saying. You know what I'm saying? She was trying to take her friend's side. You know what I'm saying? Like, bitch, you upset. But she just did too much and incriminated her friend. Like, you talk too much. Bitch, just say what you need to say and get the fuck on. You doing too much.
I don't feel like she too much incriminated her friend. I feel like she was
talking
about...
She like, you the girl that used to go get the girls.
Yeah, to go come home and fuck us. Not to extort us and sell them bitches.
They saying
they talking about sex trafficking.
Yeah, that's it.
Now,
when you drunk, but you know that is sex trafficking.
If
you got a dungeon and you giving them folks drugs and shit, like, I don't know, but I feel like everything still was consensual. You knew what you were getting into when you walked through this door. And I heard they were making them folks sign some.
They were signing some paperwork.
Yeah,
and if they
I don't think they going to jail.
They papers, they phones away.
Cause he got very smart. I don't think they going to jail.
Yeah, it's levels to this shit.
Yeah, cause
everybody's grown. I ain't no little girls come, but they say it's a lot of hoes coming out though.
And yeah, somebody been 16
we
years
like
old.
Bill Cosby was going, but he went.
You know what? I ain't even want to believe that. I didn't want to believe that enough. But now I believe it because now he in jail for us. I believe that shit. I didn't, you know. I couldn't imagine.
I feel like the more women that come up forward, the more worse it's gonna be for them.
Oh, this shit is smoking.
For real.
Well, yeah, that shit crazy.
I just, and they say these folk doing all type of shit.
Girl, I can only imagine. And Tiny bitch, you look so innocent.
But anybody,
you don't look like you can hurt a fly.
Come out with all this shit now, they got to be pressed about something. So, girl,
so I go for that.
Mad.
Yeah,
she in her feelings. But I wonder if she feel like, damn, I done fucked up now. I wonder how it's gonna all play out.
Okay, they probably were giving the bitch money. Tiny, they say she a genius person. She probably looking out for the big A. But now over with, ho.
Hey, you dead, bitch. You and your children.
I'm trying to tell.
Oh, fuck you. Come on, baby. Come on, y'all. Y'all see how they need to speak. Fuck that. Fuck that bitch. That done went against the code.
She done went against the
grind.
You
got here telling all the bitch, how you really was straight.
Exactly. Bitch, don't never bite the hand and feed you.
Motherfuckers be getting greedy.
Fuck all that. Yeah, that what it is.
They be getting greedy.
I don't know. Bitches are crazy any motherfucking way.
So, yeah, speaking of crazy bitches, what do you think about that, the red and black channel?
What, bitch? The shit where they flip the light red? What you talking about?
Yeah, red and black, and they get naked and goddamn be
that
doing
shit
all
like, y'all hoe got too much time on y'all motherfucking hand. Like, go read them kids a book or something, bitch. Like, that's just too much.
What about the people who ain't got no kid? Like, Chinese kiddies. You see her? She did hers. I feel like she killed
She can do that because she probably get paid for her. I done seen some horrible shit. Exactly.
I done seen some hoes on that licking pregnant.
Yeah, about 8 months. Bitch, what?
Man,
why your stomach bigger than mine? You
look like
that
bathroom light still on.
Like, come on, like, come
just
on.
Fucking old, like Jesus Christ.
Oh, I don't get naked on camera. You gotta pay me.
For real.
Fuck that.
I probably still don't even do it. I gotta be into it, into the moment. Girl, and then what's her name?
Who?
The girl not the girl, but the nigga Zoe. He was the first nigga who I seen do it.
What the fuck is that?
He a little he was like, hey, he always be working on his pole with the little braids.
See, you follow a lot of motherfuckers.
You don't know, I think I am Zoe.
I probably I seen a lot
he
on.
He always be dancing on the pole. Oh, he the one who be talking to the children. He be like, oh, for real. Girl.
Don't ring a bell.
Man,
nah.
God damn, you ain't never seen one when the man.
I said no.
Be talking.
You can't make me
and
say
he
yeah.
Just
I
be
said
acting
no.
like they talking to him, but it be right on point.
No, I ain't seen no shit like that.
Man,
I just started seeing the little cripple nigga. The fuck?
You can't do no butt laugh when you mention him.
I don't be on that shit like that. I don't be on Instagram like that.
I don't either, but you got to come across this shit.
My word, be
bitch, you following
complicated.
more people than me. Ain't
I don't wake up till after 2 o'clock.
God damn.
Bitch, you know that. Bitch, I for
Don't
everybody.
say the fucking word.
At 10 o'clock, ooh, you better not call my motherfucking
More
phone.
people try to flip say 11.
Bitch, I don't wake up till after 2 Sundays.
I might wake up to 3, 4, but
God
I say
damn.
11.
You get the pitch. You call me one time, just let it be. Everybody else be ring. I'm like, what the
Cause
fuck?
I already know your ass be knocked the fuck out. Cause usually I would be. But like shit, fuck that shit.
I'm a night person, but I don't even go outside no more at night. They got these young niggas riding around, breaking into everybody's car.
You better not go outside, bitch.
Hijacking bitches.
No
Hell nah, bitch.
I will break down on the highway.
I think I'm gonna eat now. I'm finna call Hero. I'm finna call Hero.
Exactly.
I'm just gonna stop at the next exit and let them find me on the camera. Hey, give me $5 worth of gas.
Right here. Y'all, this shit
They
make
gonna
me
give
on.
me $5. Yeah, they gonna make
baby, you need to get me.
Baby.
No, sirski. I don't want to have to kill nobody.
For around
if I ain't gotta use it, I don't want to have to use it.
That shit going down over in Ben Hill, baby.
Special precautions.
And young nigga got down wild.
What?
I started parking my new car in the garage.
You better.
Y'all got me fucked up. I pulled up and let the garage door. Y'all got me fucked up.
You better. Earlier you talking about you won't get in here.
God damn.
Baby, come out here, the car be busted out. You can't even go out to eat these days to a nice restaurant.
Oh, yeah.
Your shit gonna be fucked up when you come back out there. You got a nice car, your windows will be busted.
Cause where we went to Cut. We spent about $1,000 in Cut.
That shit happened at Cut.
We come out there, motherfucker. This girl just started crying. Like, oh man, I know we done spent about $150
What we just went
I was just glad it went my car. Oh yeah.
And they said they were right there leaking where we were.
Raised on the river.
Them folks all the way out there. Fucking shit up. It probably them fucking water boys.
You think so?
But I ain't gonna point no fingers. Valentine's Day coming up. Okay, who your Valentine Day? Who your Valentine is, girl?
My kids. Bitch, please. You home.
So you right, Ray.
Yeah, you know I was locked up on Valentine last year too, man. God damn.
Okay. So what was the best Valentine that you ever had?
Oh,
Even
no. I ain't never had no good Valentine. I want to talk about the worst.
No, not the worst. God damn. You ain't had no good Valentine, but you done had the worst Valentine.
Nah, cause all my Valentine been with a nigga that, you know what I mean? Bitch, but let me talk about this shit. My worst Valentine was we ain't got down Golden Corral. Like, first of all, bro, you already know we been together all these years.
You went to Golden Corral on Valentine.
We took the kids.
Okay.
Country there, Onion there, you know.
Oh.
Girl, I already knew something, cause you know, dumb ass nigga want to show my mama the shit, the ring and shit. Okay, so we sitting
Miss
there.
Gloria told you?
Nah, she tell me, you know, bitch.
You just had
I know I peep game. I see this K's jewelry box. K, welcome. Well, I'm gonna say welcome to Mo, but no, every kiss begin with K.
Yeah.
So,
a cupcake.
Man, we sitting there eating our food. I just hit it, go to talking. And Kate, you know, you been with me. I'm like, oh Lord, please. Please don't do me and go to Corral, girl. I'm talking about this shit was packed. Everybody, they mama.
Hold on, where y'all was? Y'all
Corral, bitch. I'm talking
about. Y'all at the table or y'all was on the aisle?
We probably were in the session where they put everybody, all the black people at the big ass party.
Okay, y'all.
This shit about 30 motherfuckers right here. Niggas like, get on one knee. I was like, oh my God. But my dumb ass nigga, how the fuck? My sister go to go to crowd with her. Why the hell you wait till she get up from the table to propose? You know, turned up. She like, goddamn, nigga, why the fuck you wait? Yeah.
What? You might wait till everybody get to the table to turn to everybody.
Then you got these old people standing up. That right, brother? I'm like, oh my Lord. I said,
right, young man.
I said, yeah, but a week later, I got that nigga back that ring. You got me fucked up.
Did you want to say yeah then? Or you want to say no, you just didn't want to embarrass him?
I wanted to say yeah, but I felt like when I put that ring on, that nigga went there, hey, dude. Hold on now, I ain't never had no dad. Hold on. I got a mama only. Hold on. Hell nah, nigga. You had this little $200 ring back with the necklace. And girl.
Oh
girl,
my God.
Hey, get what? He the type of nigga, he took that shit back to the store and got his money back.
What?
I swear for God.
But you the type of bitch to get it back, because I wouldn't have got his shit back. I would have been the bitch that took it back to get my money back.
I ain't got time for that shit.
Back, I lost
nigga,
it.
you got me fucked
I
up.
would have even act like I threw that bitch. You wouldn't have got it back. I would have threw it.
That was the worst. And it was on Valentine, bitch. And nigga, the ring was like a little heart.
Oh my.
Then you know we got into it.
I remember I just had to let you tell your story.
Bitch, please.
I remember that fuck nigga didn't invite me.
Exactly.
Hey, you say
like,
I'm about her, tell her to call too.
My goddamn sister was at the table, dumb ass bitch. That nigga dumb as fuck. Slime, that nigga always been slime. That shit went right. That shit was the deal. That shit didn't feel right. Cause nigga, that shit didn't feel right. Hell nah, nigga.
That shit be fucked up though.
Yeah.
But it's okay. He tried. At least he tried. But he'll probably never.
That nigga ain't tried. That nigga just. Nah, he just knew what type of bitch I was, and he want these benefits. Bitch, he want that down there cake forever. If I marry him, how gonna be here forever?
Forever. He want to stop this shit.
Yeah, he talking about bitch.
Boy, wait, he crazy. He ain't that crazy.
I dodged the
he
bullet.
want to work and move.
I take care of these kids by myself, nigga.
Yeah. I feel you on that one.
That nigga slime, boy. Ain't gonna win.
Me personally, I don't think I had like a
Valentine. Yeah, it really just be about, for me, it be about my kids. You know what I'm saying? I just dress my kids up and we're gonna go out to eat, go out there with my mom. She selling Valentine baskets. And shit, everybody, that's what I do Valentine. Every Valentine, I go there with my mama and watch her and make all the money.
Yeah, I done got gifts or whatever, but the best, I ain't had just no bad ones, you know. Valentine's, I don't even know if I really celebrate that shit.
Yeah, I ain't really.
I think one time me and my baby dad went to the cabin for Valentine, but I can't even remember that. On that date, everybody went as couples, and everybody
I think I remember that. I ain't go, but I think I remember that.
It could have been though around that time. This shit was back in the day. Everybody got into it at the cabin, but me and him.
I remember that. You
but
told
me and him, as soon as we got back, me and him got into it.
Yeah, that shit rough
Like,
out.
man, god damn. So that was like the craziest Valentine. We went down there with them folks. I really didn't know two on one of them hoes. The one I didn't know, that hoe pulled out every knife in the cabinet.
You did go to the cabin.
Like, I'm like, who them for? I don't know for him, or they all finna fuck with her too. We out here in the dog with these skinny ass rolls.
These bitches be crazy.
Hey, what the fuck? Do I need to just go and sneak the hoe in the kitchen with? Cause that hoe got a whole spread out here.
A knife?
Hey, bitch, yes. Took every last one of them out. And then free trap, him and his girl Shantae, they got it
free
too.
trap. Oh Lord,
Lord have mercy. I thought she went to walking. Or
yeah, cause he probably did. Nah, she went to walking. Cause I know Chuck did the most.
Me got that trash, boy. We did good out there though. We
yeah.
did good. And came back and got into it. But other than that, shout out to all the Valentine people. I'm gonna make sure I do get my kids some Valentine Day, especially my girls.
Mm-hmm.
Especially then, I know I gotta get Travis something too. But, you know, because as a kid, I used to like to get gifts.
Yeah, my mom used to get us shit, of course, just mandatory. Like, the kids do get something on Valentine.
At least expect. You know,
because it's just like a love day, so there's like, you know what I'm saying? You know, my kids are my Valentine.
Yeah, in your little talking, so that's fine. But I guess we about to get ready to wrap it up, you guys. Happy Valentine's to all the people who are in love.
Yeah, for be safe. God damn it.
And happy Valentine's to all my loved ones. Make sure you follow me on Fuck You Pay Me on Instagram and Anderson West J Media and live
from the motherfucking Ratchet, but now he live from the Ratchet.
How they can get that Chew Cupcake.
Bad chasing cakes.
And we
like
can't forget about the motherfucking pack. But
what did I say one more time? Because I'm high full. I ain't even gonna count.
Exotic
flavors _ATL.
Hey, somebody. She got
I'm high head though, for real. We got them bads.
Drop dead free.
Yes.
I don't know about the low. You might get taxed because this the real deal. But goddamn, we got
this time I did the real deal. I'm trying to tell you.
We got them. Hey, but check us out though. Like, subscribe. Y'all give us some ideas.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? And make sure y'all follow Bunnz the lady too.
Yeah. Prayers goes to her and her family.
Exactly. And we'll see y'all next time. We love y'all.
Going live on the Ratchet. 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 Live on the Ratchet. Oh, do the shit right. And I see you on your shit.